Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you change your name on Facebook, name change new update. So it is very easy to change name on Facebook. To name change on Facebook, at first launch Facebook. Now after launching Facebook, just click the top right three dash icon. Now just click on settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Now after clicking settings, the first option you will see in the top, personal and account information, click on it. Now here you can see name, just click on it. Now after clicking it, just change your name from here, your first name, middle name and surname. And you must note that if you change your name on Facebook, you cannot change it again for 60 days. So after changing the name, just click on review change, and after that your name will be changed. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.